This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the system down and unplugging the PSU. This prevents shorts and protects components. Once unplugged, press the case power button to bleed capacitors and strap a wrist anti-static to ground yourself. Static kills chips. Next, lay out the SSD, a SATA cable if using 2.5 model or an M.2 screw for NVMe. Then open the case and identify the drive bay or the motherboard M.2 slot. This tells you which connectors and screws you will need next. You now mount and wire the drive. For a 2.5 SATA SSD, slide it into the tray, align the connector, and secure it with 2 screws to reduce vibration. Then plug the SATA data cable into the designated motherboard port and the SATA power cable from the PSU. Data first, power second helps avoid connector strain. For an M.2 NVMe, insert the module at about a 20-degree angle, press it down, and fasten the standoff screw. Once connected, tidy cables so airflow is not blocked. You finish by powering on and entering BIOS/UEFI to confirm the SSD appears. This step proves the physical connection worked. If you plan to install the OS, set the installer drive as the boot device. If migrating, use a cloning tool to copy partitions and then disable old drive in boot order. Once in your operating system, initialize and format the drive and run a smart check to validate health. If the SSD is not detected, reset connectors, test a different port or cable, and update the mother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.